कमल सिंह क्या करेगा?
कम यार, कम एंड सी।
मनोज भी आए हैं क्या? चले गए? बस हो गया ना?
खींच रहा हूँ देख रहा
voice. So, listen to the cold breeze, what they tell about us. This annual function is a golden opportunity for the Freaky Stand-Up 4 to showcase their talents. I know you all are very curious to know what's special this evening. We the students are also a long list of young singers, dancers and dramatists to perform beautiful programs before you this evening. I hope you will enjoy this annual function by the Freaky Stand-Up 4. May I now call upon the class representative of Class 4, Madam Mamta Singh, to present the class report. Thank you.
To First Lady of our school, Madam Pratibha Srivastava, Senior Wing Coordinator, Mr. B. Vinod, Junior Wing Coordinator, Mrs. Namrata Prasad, Guest of Honor, Mr. Vinod Kheria, Director of Delhi Public School, Kolkata, and our esteemed guests. I am sure that today your wards will provide a delighting from time to time for the children to enjoy. No doubt, parents have always extended their full-fledged support in all our endeavors. One of our biggest achievements,
Pro Vice Chairman DPS Kolkata, Mr. Vinod Kheria, Senior Wing Coordinator, Mr. B. Vinod, Honorable Judges, the esteemed guests, and our torch bearer, Junior Wing Coordinator, Mrs. Namrata Prasad. May I take the privilege to carry on the proceedings of this much awaited evening. Before we felicitate the chosen few who have relentlessly kept our heads held high, let me brief you with the achievements of DPS Patna in propagating the need of good citizens in our society. We as a unit have put in our best efforts to help our students, society, which requires tremendous upliftment. And which other place would be more suitable than DPS Patna to cater to the needs of the society? We have our arms widespread to embrace the dreariness of the society and overcome them. To begin with, Class 4A, Mizanullah and Nikita Sinha. Please clap. Shaurya Shikhar and Ananya Yashi from 4B. I'm a bit fast. Anchit Sharma and Shivangi Garima from Class 4C. Mr. Mohammad Sajid Iqbal, Venkat Siddharth and Shikha Prakash, 4E. Tarang Krishna and Vaishnavi Singh, 4F. Rohan Kumar and Ananya, 4G. Thank you, madam. Your presence on the stage has asked her. तो सबसे पहले इस विश्वास के नाम तालियां बजाकर इस बात का प्रमाण दें कि आपको हमारा निवेदन स्वीकार है।
Thanks. But why have you presented these flowers to me? Flowers fascinate us by their gorgeous colors, attractive shapes, delightful fragrance. They symbolize beauty, love, respect, remembrance, purity. Multi-hued flowers which we have lovingly picked up from the garden of our culturally and naturally abundant nation, which has always been captivating, bewitching, enchanting, and magical. It's like a feast for the tired eyes, mind, body, and soul. The diverse colors of a garden which you are going to witness today is unique and rare. These beautiful flowers of our garden are going to spread fragrance to each one of you. It will surely be a sight to behold. It will surely be a jewel in the crown of DPS Patna. Be sure to witness this bloom once in a blue moon. Dig a little further and you will find a whole new treasure trove of the rare and the unique. Our program also has multifarious and diverse attractions. Thank you. Vandana. From the time immemorial, men have always bowed in front of the divine powers. Now, it has become a custom that before we start something new, we evoke God's eternal presence. Following the same tradition, before starting the series of fascinating गंगा नदी भारत भूमि की वह अमूल्य धरोहर है जिसने धरती को उर्वरा शक्ति के साथ साथ पर्यावरण को संतुलन तथा हमें जीवनी शक्ति दी है। पूरी सभ्यता इसकी कर्जदार है। यही कारण है कि हमारे देश में नदियों को माँ की संज्ञा देकर उन्हें पूजा जाता है। लेकिन आज बढ़ता हुआ प्रदूषण हमें यह एहसास दिलाता है कि प्रकृति की इस विनाश लीला के उत्तरदायी हम हैं। धन्यवाद।
हमने पवित्र गंगा को प्रदूषित किया तो पूरा पर्यावरण असंतुलित हो गया। आज गंगा नदी द्वारा राह बदलना तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है। यदि हमने इसकी रक्षा का संकल्प नहीं लिया तो हमें इसकी बहुत बड़ी सजा मिलेगी। आज हम सबों का परम एवं पुनीत कर्तव्य है कि हम गंगा नदी को प्रदूषित न करें तथा उसे स्वच्छ बनाने के लिए कटिबद्ध हो जाएं। धन्यवाद।
Man is the foremost creation of God and has been gifted with innumerable qualities. He has brain, he can think, he can take decisions. But sometimes this decision becomes very tough when he has to decide between the good and the bad. Our conscience tells us to be virtuous and then evil appears in front of us in an attractive attire and the struggles starts in our mind.
Both seem to be equally luring and tempting, but as it is said, man is the architect of his own fate. We become what we choose to be. Even men of depraved character do feel in their hearts of hearts that virtue is something worth admiring. It gives us joy, and this joy of having done a noble deed fills us with inner satisfaction, which is lifelong. Now, here we are presenting a play, The Tussle of the Mind. Thank you.
Over evil is altered by one and all. But when we talk about evil doers, we picture terrorists, thieves, murderers, corrupt leaders, and the list seems endless. Knock knock, your house, your locality, your goody-goody surroundings may be the breeding grounds of these sinners. Symptoms may seem microscopic, but these, when neglected like a virus, may result in a deadly disease. So we are here today to highlight certain common traits and so-called trivial lies, which, when not taken care of, takes the shape of evil.
What shall I do with it? I mean, you should pick this up and put it in the lost and found account. The account will give this money to the poor and needy children. Stop it, Amit! Stop it! Why do you want to put it in a lost and found account? Pick it up and put it in your pocket. Pick it up, Amit, and put it in your pocket. Pick it up and put it in your pocket. Come on, Amit! Come on! Come on, Amit! Come on! Come on! Remember the toy which you wanted to buy, but your mom refused. Now you can buy it. So pick it up, Amit! Pick it up! No, Amit! This is wrong!
Changed, but the habits same. What lies ahead, you Amit?
even if you tell a lie. So lie, Raj! Lie! Lie, Raj! Lie! No one will come to know.
No, Raj, no. You should make her confess onto your mummy. And I am sure she will forgive you.
No! She won't! Remember the scolding you got last time. Make an excuse, Raj! Make an excuse. It is simple.
Raj ignored the evil thoughts and was too enrolled to admit that it was his fault. What lies ahead, you Raj? An unbiased judge's position or a convict's box?
Oh shit! I lost the match last evening, but I have to show Sanjay that I'm the best! Rohit, don't get frustrated. Keep on working hard. A person who works hard will always succeed. Maybe you'll be the champion next time, and then we will have a gala party. So, don't lose the hope. Keep on working hard, and I'm sure you will definitely succeed.
Huh? What are you waiting for, Rohit? Show Sanjay Appa! Say that you are the greatest. Smash him up. Give him a shot now. And he will dare not play against you.
From few knocks and fights, things grew bigger within smite. What lies ahead, you Rohit? Being a good sportsman or a criminal star?
Oh, Akash has forgotten his lunch back home. Shall I share my tiffin with him?
Vipul, stop thinking so much. See your tiffin. It's so yummy, so tasty, so delicious. Enjoy it all by yourself. If you share your lunch, you'll not be able to fill your stomach. So have it, Vipul. Have it. Have it. Have it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
No, Both, you should learn to care and share. If you share your tiffin, it will seem more tastier than what it is. Okay, Vipul?
And so by care and share, Vipul thought of everyone's welfare. What lies ahead, you Vipul? Being an ideal human being or a corrupt leader?
People like Amit and Rohit, who took the wrong decisions, later became thieves, criminals, and corrupt officers. And people like Raj and Vipul become good and civilized officials who are cherished by one and all.
risks. We try and look for the easy way out. As a result, we get trapped in darkness where there is jealousy, enmity, terror, lie.
Now there's no point in placing the blame, and you should know I suffer the same. I lose you, my heart will be broken. Love is a bird, she needs to fly. Let all the hurt inside of you die. You're frozen.
But ultimately your inner voice, the voice of your conscience, would only shape your life. This voice may be very tender and very soft, but it would lead you to the right path.
We have witnessed various dance forms, but how can we forget the unique dance of our state Bihar? Nurtured in the womb of Bhojpur, this Bhojpuri dance is surely going to spread its fragrance to each one of you. Thank you.
Hello.
O Takiya
parents that please keep your video cameras and still cameras inside. We have already made arrangements for both still photography as well as the recording of the program. Thank you.
It is said that the prayer carries us halfway to God. Love for God is universal. The mode or method of praying can be different. Divine love for God, divine love for God, divine love.
Give me love in my heart, give me something. Give me
shining and beautiful polybag around us. They are very useful to us to carry vegetables, fruits and other household goods. They are also useful to throw garbage out of our house, but we do not know their disadvantages. Poly bags do not degenerate like paper bags, which chokes the drainage system and thus presents a serious health problem. Children might suffocate while playing with poly bags. Thus, we are seeing that they are a big danger for our environment. So let's join our hands and say no to poly bag. Thank you. The state of Bengal, which is not only famous for its beauty but also for its melodious music. You can see here the pretty girls dancing on the tune of a famous folk song of West Bengal. This song describes the divine love of Radha for Krishna. This love for Ghanshyam made Radha so popular and incomparable that all the girls are being inspired to dance as beautifully as Radha. Thank you. के दो रूप हैं। इस चराचर जगत के दो रंग हैं।
बढ़ती उम्र और अनुभव के साथ बड़े लोगों ने भी इसे माना है, पर जिन्हें अभी बड़ा होना बाकी है, यानी हमारी राय कुछ अलग रहती है।
हमारा कहना है कि ऐसा है तो क्यों है, और प्रकृति से बढ़कर हम बच्चों तक क्यों आ गया है। बड़े लोग, उफ ये बड़े लोग।
एक जैसे शॉट पर ही एक को छक्के का इशारा करते हैं तो एक को LBW देते हैं। ये उंगली उठी और हम में से एक बेचारा मैदान से बाहर।
एक जैसी गलती पर एक के लिए कोई सजा नहीं, और एक का खाना पीना, घूमना फिरना टीवी देखना सब बंद।
ऐसा क्यों होता है?
ऐसा कब तक चलेगा?
जैसे
मीठे मधुर पर गंभीर प्रश्नों को लेकर कक्षा 4 आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करता है एक नाटक शिशु सम्मेलन। धन्यवाद। भैंस के कटरों के रस्से पकड़ कर न लाते तो क्या कभी सरदार पटेल कहलाते हैं? बस तो इन्हीं बातों पर आपके प्यारे महेश यानी मेरी ठोकाई होती है, कान मसले जाते हैं और कभी कभी तो मुर्गा बनने की भी नौबत आ जाती है।
अगर आप मेरी मुसीबतों की कहानी सुनिएगा तो महेश का तो भूल जाइएगा। हम दो भाई हैं।
अरे भैया, अगर तुम दो भाई हो तो इसमें रोने की क्या बात है?
मैं छोटा हूँ इसलिए उसका नाजायज फायदा उठाया जाता है। जब भी मैं घर में घुसता हूँ तो मम्मी को पापा पर बड़े भैया की शादी के लिए जोर डालते हुए अजय मैं पूछता हूँ, हमारी भी किसी को चिंता है या नहीं? आखिर हमें कभी क्या है? क्या हमारी शक्ल सूरत अच्छी नहीं है? तुम तो सलमान खान लगते हो। चौथी दर्जे में भी पढ़ता हूँ। बस कमी तो यही है कि कुछ कमा कर नहीं ला पाते, तो क्या बड़े भैया कमा कर ले आते हैं। हर साल उनके नए नए कपड़े सिलवाए जाते हैं और हमें उनकी उतरन पहननी पड़ती है, बस इसलिए क्योंकि उनकी उतरन हमारे बदन में फिट आती है। आपने तो जैसे मेरे दिल की बात ही कह दी, मुझे भी बिल्कुल ऐसा ही महसूस होता। जब कभी पैसे मांगे जाते हैं तो उसमें भी सैकड़ों बंडल लगे होते हैं। देखो, कंचे मत खरीदना, पटाख मत उड़ाना, चाट मत खाना, बॉम्ब मत खाना, आइसक्रीम मत लेना। तो मैं पूछता हूँ, इन पैसों का अचार डाला जाए, आटा खरीदा जाए, दाल खरीदी जाए या गृहस्थी की फिक्र की जाए? और हमारा घर तो जैसे पक्षपात का अड्डा है। अगर मैं अपना जरा सा भी नाखून मुंह में रखता हूँ तो एक करारा लगता है। लेकिन अगर छोटा मुन्ना सारा पाँव मुंह में क्यों ना ले ले, तो खुशी से फूल उठते हैं, उसके फोटो उतारते हैं। मेरी फोटो कोई नहीं उतारता। भाइयों, मैं भी कुछ कहूँ? नहीं, तुम चुप रहो। क्यों? कुछ एक को छोड़कर लड़कियाँ अव्वल दर्जे की चुगलखोर हैं। अभी इसने मेरी शिकायत कर पिताजी से मुझे पिटाई खिलवानी थी। अच्छा, इसे सभा से बाहर निकाल दो। अच्छा, तो ये बात है, मुझे चुगलखोर का। अभी ये की खबर देती हूँ, पिताजी से कहूँ। भाइयों, ये सब तो ठीक नहीं हुआ, मेरा तो दिल धक 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 कर रहा है। भाइयों, मेरा दिल तो बैठा जा रहा है। नहीं, ये सब उसके बंधन भाव की है। मैं उसे अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ, आखिर बहन तो मेरी ही है। राखी के बंधन को निभाना यह सब क्या उल्टा मचा रखा है? मेरे कमरे का सामान किसने उलट पुलट किया? इन्हीं लोगों ने पिताजी, इन्हीं लोगों ने की है सारी गड़बड़। हमें अपना अधिकार चाहिए। क्यों रे सुनील, क्या तुझे भी अधिकार चाहिए? कभी दिलाता हूँ। का भी नहीं, दोषी हम ही हैं। हम ही अपने बच्चों के बीच तुलना करने लगते हैं। हम बड़े बच्चों से आशा करते हैं कि वह हमारी तरह व्यवहार करें, पर क्या उनका मस्तिष्क हमारी तरह परिपक्व है? नहीं ना, तो हम उनकी आजादी क्यों छीनें और छोटी उम्र में बड़प्पन का खिताब दें? कैमरा
Words of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of Indian nation and a source of inspiration to all the young citizens of India. The lives of our noblemen like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Lokmanya Tilak and many other devoted freedom fighters are an example of devotion, truth and patriotism. As future leaders of our country, we also have a responsibility to serve the poor, needy, old and disabled sections of society so that India may have a rightful among the developed countries of the world.
A generous heart and kind words are some of the things which renew humanity, but honesty, respect, responsibility and courage are the values which adorn a good citizen. DPS Patna observes the year 2003-2004 as the year of good citizenship, and this year it has witnessed in academics and co-curricular activities good values among us students in the era of moral values. Service and hospitality were the two guiding principles of the gutter saint Mother Teresa. She spent most of her life looking after the poor and was an embodiment of God. Missionaries of charity were found by her all over the world. One in Patna too. Some of us got a chance to visit the orphanage and old age homes. It was truly a scintillating experience. Undoubtedly, even if we follow a fact of her noble character and deep devotion to mankind, our lives will be blessed. Thank you.
भी लहराने को बेताब है, हमारे बाल भी अपने शौर्य प्रदर्शन को आतुर है। उनके दिलों में अपने वतन के खातिर एक जज्बा है। कठिन से कठिन मार्ग पर भी फतेह की तमन्ना है। मेरे रोकने पर भी रुकने को तैयार नहीं, तो चलें और देखें वर्ग चतुर्थ में क्या दिखाने की ठानी है। धन्यवाद।
famous for its beautiful dances. The beautiful and gorgeous Rajasthani girls are here to celebrate joyfully a momentous event in their life. Their rhythm and movement are surely going to enjoy you this evening. Thank you. Madam Namrata Prasad to propose the vote of thanks. Thank you.
Good things have to come to an end, and so here we are when our little ones made us sit tight to our seats, spellbound with their marvelous performance today. Here I would like to say that it is not only the effort of the teachers and children, you too have also played a very important role in making this program a success. Your cooperation towards our requirements was always there. things would not have been turned out to be as smooth and hassle-free had you not been giving your support regularly. 100% participation has been our focus, as we all want our little ones to be seen on the stage. I would also like to inform you, it will not matter what my bank account was, the sort of house I lived in, the kind of car I drove, but the world may be different because I was important in the life of my child. Your suggestions towards the upliftment of the school are always welcome. I request you all to be in constant touch with the teachers. And not taking much of your time, I would like to extend my thanks to respected Ma'am Srivastava, Coordinator Senior Wing Mr. B. Vinod, Coordinator P. Primary Wing Mrs. Chetna Kumar, Mr. Jayaprakash and Mr. Sharad from the Senior Wing, who were our esteemed observers for today. And most of all, you dear parents, for sharing and sparing your valuable time with us. I would also like to congratulate the class representative of Class 4, Mrs. Mamta Singh, and the dynamic teachers of Class 4 too, Mrs. Anika Singh, Ma'am Kiran Shahi, Shweta, Ma'am Moitra, Anamika, Seema and Arshana, and also the music, dance and the activity departments who have toiled hard day in and day out and cooperated with us in putting up this fantastic show. I think they all need a big applause. Class 4 children, well done. For the children and the teachers. And before calling it a day, or an evening I would rather say, I thank you all for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you all once again. I request you all to please join me for the national anthem. I invite a few students on the stage for the national anthem, please. Thank you. You may please proceed to the coffee stall and thereafter collect your awards from the respective class 4.